What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the chemical formula for potassium bromate, and after that I want to show you how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of potassium bromate. So potassium is K and it belongs to group 1, so it's going to be K plus, and bromate is BrO3 with the charge of -1. So +1 and -1 is going to be K BrO3. That's the potassium bromate. And after that I need to show you how to find out the molar mass. For finding molar mass, first of all I need to list all the elements. Potassium K, bromine is Br, and oxygen is O. The atomic mass of each of them I can find it in periodic table. And Br is 79.904 and oxygen is 15.999. How many atoms? We have just 1 for K, 1 for Br, and 3 for O. So we have 39.098, 79.904, and 47.997. You add them all, and then we have 39.098 plus 79.904 plus 47.997. That makes it 166.999 grams per mole. That's the molar mass or molecular weight of potassium bromate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.